Now part B, just similar to the previous part, but now we're given that one sound is less than the other. So let's consider again the first sound is less than the second sound and say that we are given if the first sound is less than the second sound. So we say like beta 2 is the greater. So beta 2 is beta 1 plus 23. So again, the difference between them is 23. If one is less than the other by 23, we can say that the other is greater than it by 23. So beta 2 minus beta 1 is equal to 23. Okay, so here we have that beta 1 is less than beta 2. Okay, so substituting, then we want to find the ratio of their intensities. So 10 log I2 over I0 minus 10 log I1 over I0. This is equal to 23. Take 10 in common. We're left with log I2 over I0 so I2 over I0 minus log I1 over I0. So this is equal to 23. Divide by 10 both sides and do the same thing that we did in the previous part. Consider this to be A, this to be B. So we have log A minus log B is log A over B. So now I can say directly, I'm just skipping some steps here, but you have to write in details. I already wrote this in the previous part. So we can say that it's log of I2, which is A over I0, or I2 over I0 is the A, over I1 over I0. This is equal to 2.3 because we also divided by 10 both sides. So this is equal to 2.3. And if we do the ones, multiply the ones that are away from each other, I2 times I0 over I0 times I1, we will get again the same thing that we got in the previous part. It is log I2 over I1. So this is equal to 2.3. Alright, 10 to the power log x is x. So we can say that, don't forget this part here, 10 to the power log x is x. So I can directly say I2 over I1, this is equal to 10 to the power 2.3. Using your calculators, this is equal to 10 to the power 2.3. This is 199.5. So this is the ratio. We say that I2 is greater than I1 by 199.5 times.